Human experiments were made legal. What would scientists first experiment? 1. I imagine some sociologist would really like to pull a Lord of the Flies type thing, where you remove a dozen kids from civilization and see how they adapt. A king did this in the old days, way back when his own word was law. He had children raised feral to see what would happen to them. 2. Putting a child in a giant inflatable ball, periodically poking it with a stick to prove or disprove the hypothesis that it would grow up to absolutely hate them. Some children hate you even if you give them the wrong cereal in the morning. 3. I had my collarbone plated and screwed with 11 screws after a really bad break. Before the surgery, the doctor told me he would do his best to look for the 5 or so nerve endings that cross that area, but they were very small, and most surgeons just cut right through them. I just said thank you before going under. Afterward, the doctor let me know he found 2, but there were definitely more that he couldn't find. Because of this, I couldn't feel any topical pressure applied to the skin surface on my entire chest, on the right side, and down my arm, stopping halfway between my shoulder and elbow. He told me nerves don't usually grow back, and this numb sensation would last for the rest of my time here on Earth. I went on with life and rehab until about 6 months after surgery when I was walking through campus. Suddenly, it felt like someone had poured ice water on my right shoulder. It was so sudden, I jumped, screamed, and caused the entire quad to look in my direction. I touched my shoulder, and I could feel part of it again. This sensation happened a couple more times, and now I have no loss of feeling in any area of my right shoulder, so